based on you do what you want to do for me when you want to do it, like without thinking or without even saying, oh, what they say if they see us eating together and all that. So yeah, I appreciate that. Same here, we hang out. Other than that, I just feel the day I say no to hot cuddles, remove gun and shoot me, or knife and stab me, girl.
Finish what you're saying. Other than that, what happened?
Yeah. Other than that, your own personal happiness is what I really care about. So if you're genuinely excited, I'm good to go.
If I'm genuinely excited.
Yeah, happy or you're calm, yeah. You're not worried about that. I'm good to go.
You are good to go how?
Like, I'm good to go and keep being friends with you and being close to you and expressing how I feel. How about
How
you?
do you feel?
Yes, sweet girl. Obviously, you've really been nice to me since the first day we met. I'm not capitalizing on that, but you've been a good friend and you've shown me not just once, not twice, plenty times. I don't think there's any other person in my corner the way you are. So, I wouldn't want to lose that for anything. Yeah, and I know. I'm not just being a man, I have dropped all that. Yeah, just want to make things right with you. Like in all the ways possible. I want to make you happy, I want to put a smile back on your face.
What do you say?
I said I just want to make things right for you, like with you.
How do you think to make it?
I don't know. Just allow the spirit to lead me. Because I feel I've talked and it will lead me well. I just want to put a smile back on your face, like a genuine smile. That is going to be endless. I'm not. I'm saying the truth just want to make you happy.
Listen,
I just want to make you happy.
on my side.
Nope. You could be happier than this.
How can I be happy?
So many ways now.
Eh?
So many ways.
Tell me.
So many ways. You deserve everything nice on the baby girl treatment and all that.
I'll figure you out one day.
Yeah, trust me. You'll be excited that you met me. You want to bite my weekend girl. Small. Come up, man.